So we are here we will see how we can add upload items on the Royal POS. Once you register, you can log in with your admin email and password. Right now I have some item masters here. I have already some items over here. So first, if you are going to use this first time, this list will be blank. Now there are two types you can upload either a CSV file like this. Go to the bottom of this page, item master items, and download this CSV file. It is kind of Excel file. Once you open that Excel file you will see like this, right? Category names, item names, barcode, batch number, product number, these are completely optional, as well as the costing price and commission price are optional. Sort by is kind of a, you can have order by the items on the pause, so whichever you want to on top, you can have it on 1 2 3 like that. Category same category name should be spelled with the same, otherwise you will have different categories. Suppose you, if you do like this, then there will be two categories: Mexican food, and one will be one Mexican food. So this will be a change. So you make sure you have the same category name for each item for that particular category, right? Sorry. And if you want to track the stock, like if you have a track stock inventory like water bottles and cold drinks, and if you have those kind of items and you want to track stock of all your items, then you have to enable this track stock and upload the file by selecting the location and upload the file, right? And now this is going to be upload. Once you finish the file, browse your file and upload, so your menu will be completed. Also you can upload it with the weight wise, like here, from here, this is one we did for the each wise. Then you can also have the weight wise. The format is already given in here. Every upload files will will have the formats here. Then you can also upload with the variations, like if you have any toppings or half or full, half plate, full plate, for the pizzas like medium, small, large. You can have those variations kind of here. You can set up from here, like category name, item name will be the same. Suppose like in potato burrito, if you have extra cheese, extra butter will be the same. Then you can like this 80 80, and extras will be the okay. So you can use like that. Otherwise for the variation, it is not a big process. So you can either do the once you come to the category, and you can assign the variations. First you have to create the variation, of course. To create the variations, we also have those by one, or you can also bulk upload. For the same, we have the demo CSVs, right? You can create the taxes. Now how to create the taxes? So create the taxes, like in India, as GST is 2.5%. If you want to include in your price, or if you want to exclude, so you can select from here. Once you have tax created, you can go to the category, and you can apply the taxes. You can assign the taxes what you have, if you included, if you have excluded, whatever you have, and you can apply the taxes, and it will be automatically calculate the items taxes. Now if you have the multiple outlets, and if you want to assign two outlets for a single item, then you can do as well. Here I have 10-15 outlets for one single item. This is edit of the items, so you can update your items name, or anything you want. You can update the pricing as per the as per the outlet wise. So you can have different prices for the different outlets. You can have the barcode number, print number, track stock can be enabled, disabled. Sold by will it, if it's a weight wise, then kilogram and gram. Then default sale value, like 500 gram is there. Allow open price will be like price will at the time of a cash selling, you can allow the open price, so cashier can change the price of that item. Then kiosk displays for the captos. Expiry module will be there. Best selling items, this is a new feature in Royal POS. Once you best selling items say yes, then it will create a default category on the POS system, and it will show you how it will show you the item list of the your best selling items, so it will be always on top, right? And you can have that, so you can select the item very easily because it will be on the top. So these are the things you can have. Then you can add the items, like from here, let's say add the quick items, add items. You can, if you are using the Capto or Swiggy Zomato integrations are there for India, so you can have online items from here. You can enable the items from here. If you do not want to if you do not want items, then you can stay uh, delete it, or you can set it inactive. Okay, inactive can be shown here. You can show inactive items from here if you do not want here. And if you have status inactive, and if you want after 10-15 days, if you want to active that item, then check this box and you will see all your inactive item as well, right? So you can do that. Now if you want, if you are tracking the stock, so you will see like this add stock button is there. So you can add the stock from here, like 50 pieces, 0 batch number, if manufacturing data. And right now here it is have our stock module as well. You will not receive this expiry module until you ask us to do, so you will not need to add the expiry and manufacturing date. So these are some item menus that you can getting start with. Okay, and if you want to purchase the items, there is a bulk purchase option is there, and you can have also I will include the one of the major feature which you can add the more cashiers for your share operations at the POS. You can add the cashiers here, and you can generate the device code, so you will not need to give the outlet username and password to your cashiers. You can just provide them this device code, and there will be a button on the sign in screen, on the login screen on the Royal POS. They can directly log in with the generate this device codes, so they will directly to the POS screen. You will not need to give your outlet username and password, and they will not have access to their uh, to the admin panel on the app, right? So these are the some basic structure to go getting start with. You can also have the location details, which you are going to print on the receipt. If you are going to print the receipt, then you can have change the location name, address name, phone number. This will be print. Email is for this admin password. If you have a tax VAT number, GST number, then you can write here, it will be print on the receipt. Location pane is for the cancelling or discounting the order. So if you do not want to give the access to the cashier to cancel the order or give the discount, then he will be asked this pin. By default it will be 1 2 3 4. Payment mode, you can add as many as you want. Upload your logo. Open price will be, then end day settlements. All the settings for the locations will be here. We will cover one by one in the next videos. So here this is your getting started. You can also download the app on of your merchant app, which is available on Play Store and the App Store, where you will receive all your current datas and everything, current your reportings. So thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you for interest in Royal POS.